Mike Hughes here. I'm at watersportsus.com with a Scubajet, the authorized distributor, and I'm here with James and I'm here with Steve, and we have a little product here. You want to talk about it a little?
You bet. We've got the world's smallest dive scooter on the market today.
I should have said smaller, not little.
Well, you can call it whatever you want.
Okay.
Our tagline is it's up to you how you use it, so you can call it what you want as well.
Okay.
The smallest dive scooter in the market, but not only is it a dive scooter, it's actually a small jet power pack that, again, it's up to you how you use it.
Mm-hmm.
One of the adapters is the dive adapter, and that lets this be a one-hand operation underwater dive scooter rated to 40 meters. At dive speeds, it'll run about an hour of continuous runtime, which is probably enough runtime for 2, maybe even 3 dives.
Wow.
You've got a fully self-contained battery inside. You have your choice of 3 different speed settings.
Okay, rotating with the dial.
And each speed setting, this is changeable underwater, each speed setting has a high and low within it. So you've got 1 low, 1 high, 2 low, 2 high, etc.
Okay.
You also have the ability...
Like a 6-speed.
Like a 6-speed. You also have the ability to switch it to wireless, take the dive adapter off, and mount this underneath your paddleboard or on the back of your dinghy, and convert any of those products to jet power.
Okay, cool.
Okay. Optional LED light of 500 or 1500 lumen, and that's controlled simply by the switch right here at the back of the dive adapter.
All right.
Okay. Incredible power. A true jet. Every dive scooter in the market today uses propellers, just like airplanes stopped using in the 50s. They're still using propellers. We're a true jet with unobstructed 360-degree water intake and a strong, powerful jet of 44 pounds of thrust.
Okay, you're like the meanest squid on the block then.
We are the meanest squid, and if you get close to me, you'll feel the power.
It's that much.
Yes.
How do you estimate that much power, or what would you say?
Well, it's 44 pounds of thrust is the way they use it.
Good.
And at low speed, we'll push a fully loaded diver, scuba diver, at speeds faster than they can swim.
Okay, so we're talking more than 2 knots or whatever.
About 2.
Yeah.
And the speeds I use, speed 1 is your dive speed. That's what you're going to use all the time.
But it probably lasts longer too at speed 1.
Speed 2 is if your buddy didn't bring his scuba jet and you've got to tow him home.
Got it.
It's spare power. And speed 3, I just call ridiculous, because you'll never need to use it that fast and it might take your mask off.
Nice. It's nice to have all that power.
But it's there if you need it. You come around a reef and there's some currents, you can dial it up to speed 2.
You want to go with the dolphins?
Or go with the dolphins, or drag your dive partner back home. It's also, by using this, it's doing the work. You're doing less work. Your air's going to last longer. So you're going to have more time to do the things that you want to do down below the water, have longer dive time.
And this product's name is?
This is Scubajet. The SJ200 is airplane legal. You can take this on the airplanes with you in your carry-on bags.
Oh, okay.
We have a longer version that doubles the runtime. Same power, but doubles the runtime. It's not airplane legal.
Okay.
So we're showing this because you divers travel a lot.
Thank you.
And then I've got James here as our authorized distributor. He's with Water Sports US, as you can see. And he's handling orders, taking on dealers, and doing whatever else you can think of.
Well, cool. Well, thank you very much for all the information.
You bet.